Good morning, y'all. It is 11:45 on Saturday. I was about to say July 13th. We are getting dressed and ready. Oh my God, y'all see that? Ooh, I'm gonna take care of that. We are getting, my skin kind of look kind of nice in this camera today for some reason, except for that. But anywho, we are getting dressed to go to the beach today. So we're having a family beach day today. My oldest daughter and the baby and her fiance and all of us that lives in this house, we're all gonna meet them at the beach, and we're gonna have a beach family day today. I'm so excited because we really need this. You know what I'm saying? Last time we had a family get together, it was when we went to Cedar Point, but not all the family members was able to go because majority of them had to work, or my daughter was in California. So now we're all here except for one, and she's at work today. And the rest of us are going to the beach. So this is my little beach outfit. This is the closest thing y'all gonna see me in a bikini. Okay, y'all will never ever see me in a bikini. And I haven't worn this in forever. My stomach's a little puffy right here. To be honest with y'all, I think TMI, I need to go shit. I do, because I haven't in a couple days and my stomach's like really hurting. And I noticed that when it's puffy like that right there, that's a telltale sign. Damn, go figure it out. But anywho, so that's what we're doing. We're getting ready. I'm just throwing on a dress over this bathing suit. I might not even take the dress off. I might just put my feet in the water. I don't know, because I haven't went swimming in a long time. Last time I went swimming, my mother-in-law lived in these apartments where she had a pool. And we used to go every summer. I would get my nephews and my cousins and stuff, and we would go swimming at her house and just have a good time. But yeah, ooh, my edge is trying to show. No, y'all, my whole head needs to be dealt with. I was looking at my hair yesterday like, oh my God, girl, you need to do something to this head. I got it braided up right now. I need to take the braids out. And I need to wash my hair really good. I need to put some moisturizer on it really good. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I want to do some single box braids, or if I just order another freaking lace front. I don't know, yo. But I noticed that around here it's getting a little thin because of those lace fronts. So I'm going to have to watch. But anywho, I don't know why I started saying that, but I don't want to say it again. But anyway, we're getting dressed. We're getting ready to go to the beach. I'm excited, tired at the same time, because I ain't gonna sleep till like 2 o'clock this morning. I don't know why. Oh, I was watching 90 Day Fiance, that's why. And I was on Snapchat with a mommy's group, and we was all just chit-chatting and stuff, so that's why my butt was up. But yeah, I'm about to finish getting dressed, make sure I got my suntan lotion. Yeah, I'm about to finish getting dressed, go pop my wig on, and finish gathering the stuff we're gonna need at the beach. And I will talk to y'all later. Peace.
Imports on there.
Hey guys, we are at the beach having a good family day. There's Brett. Say hi to YouTube. We just put the baby to sleep. he was having a fit. So we just put him, is he asleep? he was having a big old fit. Here's the family. Nephew, son, husband back there. Terry's over there. Lexus and Elijah right there by the water. So we're cooking out, we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go swimming. Well, we gotta wait, you know, like 15 minutes, then we can go swimming. But yeah, we're having a good day today. I'm so excited. I'm having a good time with my kids. I'm missing one, but we'll have fun next week. Next weekend, we're going back to Cedar Point, so that's gonna be awesome. I do not own the rights to this music, so I'm gonna try to walk away. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall, and I'm gonna be so mad. So we enjoying our day as a family. It's packed here though. This is my first time ever being at this beach. We were supposed to go to the other beach, but they came here. So it's a nice beach though. See that view? Beautiful, huh? I found my daughter's hat. I said, I'm putting this thing on. Brittany and her short self. So short. Look how short she is. My daughter is short. All right, guys, I'll be back.
Zoe would have been running back and forth. Zoe know how to swim.
Carry on, dog. Our dogs do.
I took her to Edgewater last year and threw her in the water.
She hide. Are you trying to go tomorrow?
Yeah, I told him off. What are you gonna do tomorrow?
What?
So what I'm gonna do tomorrow?
I don't know.